Good Saturday morning. Welcome to the 256 Garage. We've got Mr. Money Talks here. We're going to do a quick walk around this beautiful Saturday morning before we get started doing some work. Show y'all what we got going on. So let's get started right here in the shop. We got one of the doors off the, what's that thing called? Kia. Do a little damage fix on it. Show you, I think I done showed you, we got all the insides repaired and primed. We're actually working on getting the dash out of this one, and that is a job. Because this dash right here, if you can see it in the video, has some cracks and stuff. So we're wanting to put this good dash pad in this and over here, but that has been a job. Got this bumper cover for a Mustang. Got to do some, I guess Drake's got to paint it and stuff for a neighbor over here. He messed his up. Not 100% sure. I think this is our Toyota. No, it's a Honda. Honda's Odyssey van front bumper. Getting it ready for paint. Nothing really, got the truck off the frame machine, but let's walk outside right quick here and show you a few little things. Got this Mercury Mountaineer Alan picked up at the auction. V8 all-wheel drive. Pretty good shape. It's got a little fender damage and some suspension damage. But other than that, the whole thing runs out good. Got the 5.0. Like I said, we went ahead and put a wheel on it because the wheel was flat. But the spindle we had is a 2-wheel drive, and this is an all-wheel drive. Right there's the one we pulled the spindle off of. There's a truck that was on the frame machine. We'll do a quick check in on it. You can see the repaired, painted the tailgate and fixed the bedside. That's the one that's on the frame machine last weekend. Got it turning out real nice. The little Chevrolet, got the front end back together on it. Let's walk down here to the Chevrolet truck with the, go ahead and turn that light off and lock that side up. Chevrolet truck with the hood, little gold square body. Drake tried a little different approach with the hood this time. Instead of just trying to paint it and make it dull, he actually tried to do a little patina. Turned out pretty good. Give you a quick view of it. If we can see it under here, it's getting kind of dark on me. You may not really be able to see the patina work, but right there you can kind of see it. I think I got a little picture. I'll try to insert it in here. Right there some. Like I said, turned out real good. Looks real good. Little GMC instead of Chevrolet. But anyway, that's about all we got going on. A lot of work done. Some of us done sent home, but a lot of work to do. Busy. CRV. We took it apart. We got a parts car. It's actually out at the house. We got to get out here for it. Got the airbag module replaced. We're going back together with it here pretty soon, hopefully. But anyway, that's what we got going on here at 256 Garage. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Get out and about. It's a beautiful Saturday.